Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can use PrintDropper. So I have a store on Shopify where I create custom products. So let me show you an example. So for example, here you can see a scenery. So maybe you can sell this scenery for a wall frame or maybe a paper print or something like that. So you can also sell like t-shirts, and you can use your own custom design that will be printed on the t-shirts. These print on demand companies like PrintDropper, they will fulfill your order. So for example, if you receive any order on your WordPress or Shopify store, then you can use PrintDropper to fulfill the order. So you will just provide them the address of your customer. So they will print the design that you will give them and they will send it to your customer. So let's see how PrintDropper looks like. So after after creating your account, you will see a simple dashboard like this, and here you will see a create job button, a search field, and then you will see all the orders that you will add on PrintDropper. So here on the top right you will see this menu. So here you can when you will create your account, you will first of all have to go to billing. So here you can add credit in your account. So for example, let's select $100 and you can pay them with credit card or with PayPal. So they will be deposited in your PrintDropper account, and then you can use this balance to create orders. So they will do all this stuff like the printing and the shipping thing, and they will also give you the tracking code that you can add on your Shopify order. So let's see how we can do this. So suppose that you receive any order on your website. So let's see how we can submit that order to PrintDropper so they can print it and ship to the customer. So this is a sample data that we can use for this order. So we can first of all create a job. So here you will have to select the type of product that you want to send to the customer. So for example, we can select mate print, and here we have several other options like the frames, lustre print, and fine art, paper print, cold press paper print, and there are several other options as well. You can choose whichever you want, whichever you are selling on your website, and then here you will have to select the size of it. So in this case, I am going to select 5x5, and we will have to select the quantity that we want to ship, and we can select one, and here we will have to upload the artwork. So here you can see the artwork. So here is the artwork you can see. So I have uploaded it, and now we will have to click on upload artwork. So here you can see it is uploaded and it will cost me 2.17. We can sell it at any price and we can get the price from the customer, and then we will be paying $2.17 for the print and the shipping fee to the PrintDropper, and rest will be your profit. So here will be your office address. So it will be printed on the shipping box as well, and then you will have to then you can upload any other print as well. So if customer has ordered two different type of prints, then you can upload second one over here, and it will show when you will upload this one. Like we have uploaded the first one and now this thing is showing, and here we will have to add the address of the customer. So here we will have to copy the complete address in US format, and we will click on paste US address, and we can paste it over here. You can add a comma after the city name, and all of the fields will be filled automatically. So if they are not filled automatically, then you can just change them if you want. So here is the address. We have added the address, and now so here we can click on update address. No thanks. So here you can see the shipping is will take 6 to 8 business days, and the shipping fee will be $5.34, and total cost will be $88, and remaining balance everything. Now we can click on create job and the order will be created. So after you have created the job, your order will start showing up like this. Here when you will click on this order number, then you will see the details of the order and you will see the tracking ID. When it's available, then you can add the tracking ID to your Shopify order. So here you can see tracking ID is currently not available for the order, but as soon as it is available, then we can just copy the tracking ID and we can see the carrier and we can add the tracking to the Shopify order. So that's it for the video, and if you have any question about PrintDropper, do let me know in the comment section. I will create a detailed video on it again. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos.